Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, I recorded this video I think on the 23rd or 22nd of April 2026. I posted some part of the video here. This is the Umuokpara ring road that is under construction. So the road, if you're coming from Ubakala, you pass Mgbarakuma and then you head down to Umuahia. When you get to Umuahia, Obodinibe, and then you continue going. The road crosses through all these places that I mentioned, Umuahia, Obodinibe, and then they are still constructing the one that will take you to Ubakala junction. So guys, the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome. So let's drive around this road and see what they are actually doing. Oh, ezigbo ihe na ọrụ na-aga on ebe a. Now this Umuokpara ring road, when you're coming from Onimo, the moment you just drive in from Onimo, you pass the Imo River. You don't need to come and start driving down to gate for Ndenalo Ubakala. And this road now, the moment you just cross Onimo, just move down a little bit and then you would through Umuokpara, drive down straight to Ubakala junction. Or in Ala and Sirimo Nala, any part of Ubakala in Ala, it will be very, very easy for you. So this is how far they have come with the construction of this road. On there, steady. And this road construction is really going to help make traveling in Umuahia very easy for those people na lota Christmas and then na lota New Year, August, to just make movements in Umuahia to be very easy. Now you don't really need to start driving along the from Onimo down to Abia Tower, like I said. So the government of Abia State is really trying in terms of construction of roads to make sure that roads, Barakasa, that they have a lot of roads that will connect and interconnect within Umuahia, outside Umuahia, in fact, in the whole of Abia State, because all naga on everywhere. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be notified. As you can see, this road that I seeing here right now, by the time they are done with it, you're gonna using Umuokpara nke makwa mano woza. My name aguna our governor, His Excellency Dr. Alex Choma Oti. On a project abandoned. So what's in now? This road you're seeing very soon, the construction baga to look very good. Right now is they're all okay. You see what the rain has done here. Maybe chala no the road. Manano chaze na where that yeah was approaching. Amazima. Even they have not even finished the construction of this road in the estate now about this side Umuokpara, Ubakala, because of the construction of roads happening all over the state capital. And along this road already, Shitacha North from Umuahia, Biawata North down, they have constructed, I think, two bridges, Abi. They have constructed two of it. So I'm going to show you the second bridge they constructed. We are actually very close to the bridge. I'm going to be showing you. There was time I made a video there when the bridge was still under construction. So you are going to see that bridge now. They have finished, constructing the bridge and people are already making use of it. So on car of the bridge. I don't know if some of you that used to watch my videos, I don't know if you can remember this place. I'll see if I can put the old clip of this bridge when it was under construction. That's if I can find the clip in my phone, So there's another bridge in front too. That one is old. God, old. All the time not very bad. So all your marriage went. I believe all your marriage went on this one and right. So come go soon the bridge. Come go soon. So the bridge is solid. There is a stream flowing under the bridge, flows from that end to the other end. Tipa na bazi na bakwadi yourself, or a solid, very strong bridge. So from here, we'll drive further into Umuokpara. I want to show you where this ring road started from. Mishi Onimo. If you are driving in from Onimo, I want to show you where you can, start from if you're driving in from Onimo. Because of course, if you're driving from Ubakala, you be from what is it called, Mgbarakuma junction. So from Mgbarakuma junction now, I'm going to that, a bills are from Onimo. So if you want to see that place, you have to just watch down a little bit. Makanodra far from here. And as you are watching, if you haven't subscribed, please kindly click the subscribe button. In a free, a charge. That subscribe button and the notification bell where you go click. Now so that if I upload video, you gonna say I don't upload video, you could get notification for your phone. So this road now you're seeing, they expanded it. It wasn't this wide before, because construction na gacha it may happen now. All this side in our channel give me so they expanded it, and not just here, Gawakwa down.